Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious chicken salad with crisp lettuce. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, ensuring you have quality chicken and vibrant greens. Next, we'll prepare the chicken by cooking and shredding it perfectly. Then, we'll combine everything with a creamy dressing for that classic flavor. Finally, I'll show you the best ways to serve it. Let's start by preparing our chicken. You can boil or bake about 2 chicken breasts until they are fully cooked. Once done, let the chicken cool completely. This makes it much easier to handle. Then, using 2 forks, shred the chicken into nice, bite-sized pieces. This ensures a great texture throughout your salad. Now for the assembly. In a large bowl, combine your shredded chicken with 1/2 cup of finely chopped celery and 1/4 cup of red onion. Next, add 1/3 cup of mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard for that creamy, tangy flavor. Season with salt and black pepper to your liking, then gently fold everything together until well combined. Your delicious chicken salad is ready. For a light and refreshing meal, serve generous scoops on crisp lettuce leaves. Romaine or butter lettuce work wonderfully as edible cups. You can garnish with a little fresh parsley or a sprinkle of paprika for extra color. Enjoy it right away or chill it for up to 3 days for later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.